Okay guys, this is a timeout. Do this again and again and again and again. I love this place. I like it so much because this is my first work in Minecraft PE. That the best work ever. Best work. This all of this this the modern house. This is the modern house. This too is I got it in YouTube. Watching YouTube. And this, but the layout that I watch in YouTube, that is all work here. But the furniture, I made that. And this, I got this in YouTube. All of this, I got this. Then this is my modern house. This is my true modern house. Then this is the basketball court. See it guys. It's too beautiful. It's too beautiful. That's all guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.